Welcome to Faisal Town, Pind Kohat. Here in the middle of this busy bazaar, there is a shop that has been running for the last 8 years. The name is Khan Chapli Kabab. But apart from Chapli Kabab, there is one dish that has made this place truly famous: deep fried chicken. The man behind this taste is Ruzi Khan. With his experience and hard work, he has created a recipe that attracts hundreds of customers every day. His stall may look simple, but the smell of his fried chicken pulls people from every corner. So, what makes his fried chicken special? It all begins with fresh chicken pieces: wings, legs, and chest. Each part is priced separately. A leg piece for 230 rupees, a chest piece for 300, and wings for just 100 rupees. This way, everyone can order exactly what they like. The preparation starts with chickpea flour, chane ka atta. Into this, Ruzi Khan mixes crushed red chili, salt, and other Desi spices. The chicken pieces are marinated well, coated with this spicy flour, and then dropped into a large kadai of hot oil. As soon as the chicken touches the oil, the sound of sizzling fills the shop. The coating becomes crisp, the spices release their aroma, and slowly the chicken turns golden brown. The air gets heavy with a mouth-watering fragrance that no passerby can resist. When it comes out of the oil, each piece is steaming hot, juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. People enjoy it as a snack, but many also eat it as a proper meal with naan or paratha. The flavor is bold, spicy, and unforgettable. Every evening, the shop is full. Children ask for wings, youngsters go for legs, and many prefer the chest pieces for a heavier bite. Some eat it standing near the stall, others take it home packed, but no one leaves unsatisfied. In just 8 years, Ruzi Khan has made Khan Chapli Kabab a household name in Faisal Town. His fried chicken is more than just food. It is a passion, a tradition, and a taste of Kohat's streets. And as long as he stands behind that kadai, the golden sizzle of fried chicken will continue to call hungry hearts.